If you're having trouble keeping up with the ever-evolving Lotus range, we don't blame you. Alas, there's another car to get your head around, albeit a quite exciting one. This is the Lotus Evora GT410 Sport, a quicker, lighter, more aerodynamic version of the Evora Sport 410, which it replaces. That places the GT410 between the base Evora 400 and the supercar-like GT430. With a £85,900 price tag, it's primed and ready to take on the new Porsche 911 Carrera T. Its 3.5-liter supercharged V6 produces 410 bhp, the same as its predecessor, and its 3.9 seconds 0 to 60 miles per hour and 190 miles per hour top speed are unchanged too. Mind, you won't get the two figures together. The shorter geared automatic is quicker to 60, the manual takes 4.0 seconds, but has a 171 miles per hour top speed. You want the manual in a car like this, so it's a short argument beyond those numbers. The GT410's biggest differences ought to be when it comes to handling. Tick all the lighter-weight options boxes, titanium exhaust, fancy Allens dampers, etc., and you'll have a car 28 kilograms lighter than the old Sport 410, while new carbon fiber body kit bits increase downforce by 50%, albeit at that 190 miles per hour top speed. So perhaps never, if you don't drive through Germany or on empty runways. Old, the tweaks ought to be gentle enough to stop current Sport 410 owners from being too upset. Simple question, really, this or a 911 Carrera T?